Hello, I'm Darcy, and welcome to ScreenCastsOnline. Today's short tip is going to tackle storage on the Mac and show you different ways of freeing up space when you need it. I'm sure at some point in time we've all seen this. Your Mac is low on storage. And likewise, you may also have felt like you've gone through your files and deleted everything you don't need, but it doesn't seem to make a difference. There are many reasons why a person can be in this situation. Maybe they don't have a large hard drive to begin with. After all, quite a large number of Mac portables shipped with 128 gigabytes of storage over the years. And even now, the base storage option for an Apple Mac is only 256. Marry this with applications you've installed over the years, documents you've made, photos and videos you've taken, and it's no wonder that these tiny drives are soon overwhelmed with data. Not to mention that the Mac visually stores your data differently. Using the Finder with what seems like endless folders of information to sort through to find what you want. Before you go and buy a program that'll tell you all about the storage on your Mac, there are quite a few handy features already built in that can help you with your storage dilemma. Today we'll break down where all your data is, how you can see it, Apple's built-in options for managing storage, and a bonus tip about duplicating files. First, it's important to understand how all of your files are actually organized on the Mac, and how to navigate the Finder. The Finder is always open and can be found on the dock, or you can open a new window using the menu bar at the top left. Click File, and then New Window. This automatically opened to our most recent documents. But we want to start somewhere else. Navigate to the Go drop-down menu and click on Computer. Then Macintosh HD. This is the highest level of your storage. Within all these folders lies not only all of your documents, photos, and media, but also the entire operating system. There are only two folders here we need to concern ourselves with: Applications and Users. Opening Applications takes us directly to where all of our stored apps are on the computer. And it's here where we'll start. The first thing I want to know when I look at my apps is, how much space do they take up? This information can be found by right-clicking on any application and selecting Get Info. Sometimes it takes a moment to calculate, but at the top right here, I can see the actual size of my application. Maybe it's an app I don't need, and now I can see how much space it's taking up. I may want to delete it. There is another app here that has a prohibitory symbol over the logo. This is telling me that the app no longer works with my computer. This is not unheard of. Some applications are no longer updated by their developer to work with the latest software. Let's not delete them just yet as we look further into the Finder. I'll click the back button on the top left of the Finder window. Under the Users folder, we can see every account on this computer. My computer only has the one, but for those sharing a computer, it may not surprise you that another person has saved a lot of information on their own account, limiting the overall disk space. Clicking on your user account shows several familiar folders. This is where all our stuff is. All of our documents, movies, photos, everything is here. And it's from here that we can see how much storage is being used. We already know how to use Get Info to check the size of a file or folder, but there is a way that we can view and compare all these folder sizes at the same time. First, we'll change how we view the folders by clicking on this icon, which is made up of 4 squares. Change to List View. Now, go up to the menu bar and click View, Show View Options, and down the bottom, turn on Calculate All Sizes. If we look back at the Finder, we'll see that the size of each folder has now been calculated. Now we immediately know where our information is being stored.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCasts Online member.